Hi there, George from Data Academy here. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to manage packages using Conda, in specific Conda. First of all, let us go into the environment we created before by doing Conda activate myinf. There we go, we're within this environment now. And first thing to do is let us list all the available packages within the environment. Okay, there we go. We have all the packages installed. Now, if I want to install a certain package, what can I do? Well, there are two ways to do this. First, very simply, you can just say conda install to install a certain package. For example, if we want matplotlib, we can do this. Okay, I'm going to say yes to confirm. There you go. Matplotlib has been installed. And the second way is by using the pip package manager. We can say pip install. And for example, I want plotly. Then let's install that. So then you might be wondering, when do we use pip? When do we use conda? Well, the idea is pip probably is going to give you a newer version of a certain package, because for Conda, it does take time for folks at Anaconda to update the latest version into their environment. So if you want a latest version of a certain package, maybe you want to use pip instead of Conda. So now, what we are going to do next is we are going to update a certain package. Remember, we do have a pandas 1.0 installed. So what if I want to upgrade pandas? Then I can say conda update and then pandas. And it's going to ask us here whether we want to upgrade pandas from 1.0 to 1.2. So I'm going to say yes. So that's how you upgrade a package. Next, let me show you how to remove a certain package. And correspondingly, there are two ways as well, corresponding to the package manager you used before. So if we use the conda for a certain package, we do need to remove or uninstall a package using conda as well. So remember, we installed matplotlib using conda. So now we can say conda remove. And then we put in the name in here, and we can uninstall matplotlib that way. And for the other package that we installed, which is plotly, we did it by using pip. So then we do need to use a pip to do the uninstall. Okay, so now let's say pip uninstall and then plotly. Okay, so now it's being uninstalled. All right, so that's everything for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.